Density is the amount of mass per unit volume. The first object we're going to measure the density of is this cuboid. Now to get the mass, we just place it onto the mass balance, 162.6 grams. However, to get the volume, we need to multiply the height by the width and length. When you multiply the height by the width and the length, you get 60 centimeters cubed. And our density is mass divided by volume, so 162.6 divided by 60 gives us 2.71 grams per centimeter cubed. Next, we're going to calculate the density of this irregular shaped object. It's a rock. Now, because it does not have a regular shape, we cannot calculate its density by timesing its height by width by length. We can still find its mass by placing it onto a mass balance, 17.5 grams. To find the rock's volume, I'm going to use a displacement can or a eureka can. I'm going to fill it up with water, which I've already done, and place an empty beaker underneath the spout. And then I'm going to place the object into the water and collect the water in a beaker. Next, I'm going to pour the water collected from the displacement can into a measuring cylinder. And then I'm going to measure the volume by taking a reading off the side of the measuring cylinder. As you can see, the water level reaches there, which is 6 centimeters cubed. And now we just divide the mass by the volume, 17.5 divided by 6 equals 2.92 grams per centimeter cubed. Next, I'm going to find the density of a liquid. To do that, first we need to measure the mass of an empty measuring cylinder, 40.9 grams. Then I'm going to pour the liquid into the measuring cylinder and measure the mass of the measuring cylinder and the liquid, 82.9 grams. And I can work out the mass of the liquid by subtracting the mass of the empty measuring cylinder from the mass of the measuring cylinder plus liquid. So 82.9 take away 40.9, which equals 42. So the mass of the liquid is 42 grams. To get the volume of the liquid, we just need to look at the side of the measuring cylinder. As you can see, it is 42 centimeters cubed. Then all that's left to do is divide the mass of the liquid by the volume of the liquid. 42 divided by 42 is 1 gram per centimeter cubed.